Hi everyone, my name is Louise. I run a company called the YP Collective. I'm really excited to meet you all digitally on your workshop with me. That's all about how to story tell your business, and we are going to take really industry trusted techniques and tools and transfer them over to how you can apply that to the businesses you've been developing. But also, we're going to look at exactly how we can view you as a business as well, because whether you go on to build many businesses or one big one, or in fact whether you just look at yourself as a business, and thinking about your income streams and how you want your brand to look and feel, we're going to look at all of that. So we'll look at your brand identity, we're going to look at your online presence, and we're going to look at how to be a campaign crusader and get those messages and those brands and that identity really strong. I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you are too. All I need you to bring is a pen, paper, lots of A4 paper, or your notebook, and imagination. I want you to just feel really like you can expand your brain into all the different corners and squiggly bits in your head, and no answers, no thoughts are wrong. It's all about exploring, all about discovering, and just having a bit of an adventure with it. So yeah, looking forward to it, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.